Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will be dealing with pivot table. So we will be creating pivot table and analyzing its functions. So pivot table is a really powerful Excel tool which help us to analyze transaction, analyze and evaluate bulk of transaction. So let's jump into pivot table. So I have this set of data. So I have Nike shoes, color, size, cost and selling price. So let's create pivot table. So to create a pivot table, select the data, click and insert, then pivot table. Now table range, we have already selected the table range. We can decide where to create this in a new worksheet or a existing worksheet. So if we want our pivot table to be in the same worksheet, just click on existing worksheet and click on where you want your pivot table. Let's, for example, if I want my pivot table on K1, I will select K1. But let us create pivot table in new worksheet. So with new worksheet, see, now you have these options. Let's say particulars. I want to say particulars and row. Say size. I want size to be in row as well. So how many size we have? So cost, selling price. So I have this one, color as well. So black, blue. So you can select whatever data you need. For example, what I'll do is I will click these particulars on filter option. Let's make some changes. Instead of particulars, let's type brand. So now go back to pivot table. Though we have changed it to brand, still it is in particular. So for that, go to pivot table, refresh all. Now you can see it should be changed to brand is on selected. Now click on brand. Now you can drag this on filter as well. So if we have this on filter, if we click on this and select on multiple items, let's say I want to find only Nike. So with Nike I have black, right? So let's do color. Let's remove color for now. So for Nike I have size 5, sum of selling price. Now let's say I want to insert profit as well. So what to do? So click on here and then click on field and size, click on calculated field name. I want profit. Formula will be selling price. Formula will be selling price minus sum of cost. Click on cost, insert field, click on OK. Now we have sum of profit. So from Nike, from size 5, I have profit of 90 pounds. So in this way you can add pivot tables as well. Let's say now I want color as well. So color in columns, see, blue, green, yellow. In this way you can even filter it, size it. So we have this one row of labels, sum of column. So let's do this size. Now I have black, see, and in terms of that, instead of sum only, we can select others as well. Sum of field, see, value field setting. Now we can do count. So black, let's say select all. So we have 5 black shoes, we have in total 19 shoes, which should be, see, if you see, we have 19 shoes, out of which we have 5 black shoes. 5 black shoes costed us 415 pound. It gave us profit 125. So we can select. So if you double click on this, see, so account of cost, value field setting, count, average, maximum, minimum. Let's do sum. Let's do average of cost, sum of cost. Instead of this, click on value setting, average. So on an average, black shoes costed us 58 pounds. So we can use it like this. We can sort this out as well. See, select on this, go to data, sort. We can sort this, we can add just this again, we can do accounting as well, we can add dollar sign. So you can use in whatever way you like. Similarly, you can add pivot tables, recommended pivot table styles. You can add pivot chart. So if you click on pivot chart, select on this, click on pivot chart, you can add the chart as well. Change data source, you can refresh all, and pivot chart it should give us. So go to home, general. So in this way we can use pivot table. So for example, if you made any changes, let's say Puma, here let's say we made changes to gray, we added gray one, so just for example, and if we do that, see, you still haven't got this. So for this one, click on table design, refresh all, then you will get gray as well. So if you make any changes, you need to refresh all, refresh here as well. So in pivot column, see, and click on pivot chart, you can use like pivot column, you can add bar, you can add pie chart, you can add line graph. You can see, you can add average cost, sum of selling price, color. So let's say black only. So in this way you can create other load of things. You can do let's say select all, average cost of sum. We can do and pivot table analysis, pivot table. Let's create a chart. See, now you can see green, grays, average cost, sum of selling price, color. So in this way you can use pivot table. Similarly, we can use insert slicer as well. To slices to work, we need to format this as a table. So Control T and click on insert and go to slicer. So slicer, let's say I want to we want this to analyze by brand. So if you click on OK, slicer, this will come up, and you can do, let's say I want to see for only Nike, and in table 1, if we go to table design, which we have explained in previous videos, let's get the total row. So Nike, we have total selling price. Here you can find sum average. Let's do the sum. So selling price, total cost, Nike, Adidas, Puma, blank. We don't have anything for blank, so Puma, Adidas. Similarly, we can add multiple slices. So select all, insert slicer. Now this time we want size, click on OK. So let's say Puma size 6, Nike size 7. So in this way we can use slicer as well. So slicer and pivot table, they are useful to analyze the transaction as explained above. Thank you so much for watching this video.